Lonsun Lonsun Electrical Appliance Company Limited is the supplier and manufacturer of baby care appliances. Since founded in 2006, Lonsun has experienced continuous growth and now developed into a professional company of electric baby products such as milk warmer, bottle sterilizer, baby food processor, UV sterilizer and breast pump. All of our products pass GSCE, CCC certificate and LFGB, our OHS, ERP, REACH test report. We are located in Lonsun with convenient transportation access. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In addition, we have obtained ISO 9001-2015 and BSCI certificates. Our products are exported to clients in such countries and regions as Europe, USA, Asia, and so on. With our company principle, we are sincerely working hard to satisfy our customers' need and do bring benefit to our customers. We still keep improving our products' quality and try our best to develop more and more innovative baby items for baby care market. Welcome to visit us anytime for business discussion. All OEM and ODM orders are welcome. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk with us about your requirements.